The United States government has issued a civil emergency for all citizens of the state of Utah. In the past week, there have been hundreds of missing persons reports. The cause is because of an entity recently discovered in an abandoned warehouse named the Watcher. This entity, from what we know, is very aggressive, and is very silent. The creature's appearance is not very well known and has multiple possibilities. The best description we can give is it's pale, tall, has a gaping mouth with razor-sharp teeth, easily able to pierce flesh. This creature has reportedly been spotted in forests, abandoned structures, and very rarely, people's houses. So far, we only have a few pictures, but only a small few are readable. If you ever happen to encounter this entity, do not try to fight. Your safest bet is to either hide or run, but be aware that it is silent. The only visible thing you'll be able to see is its eyes and face, and if by chance you stumble across it and it doesn't notice you, hide. So far, the creature has been spotted only as the western region of Utah. Some places have been put in lockdown to prevent further casualties. We will inform you once there is more information.